Naked, Trelawney Falmouth. This Sunday, the 6th of November, the Queen will be in Falmouth. You hear that? Which family right now? I'm carving. 3 some mathematics party and 3 speedy lucky number. And I'm at the airport. I'm coming to Jamaica for this Sunday. Wet a while. Ladies come roll out and get wet and wild. Crazy, never lazy. All of my double top girl represent. Because the Queen will be there. Come and meet Queenie in live and living color. And that's Falmouth, Jamaica. One place on the name Trelawney. That's this Sunday, remember, and see me? And a nice hot girl, Queenie. Stunner say yes, Sky, you blessed, no man. Big up yourself, Stunner. You don't know. Blessed lover, see you soon. I'm coming. Bop, bop, bop. Watch out. No, Jane, I'm going there. Manager! Did I? My foot wet and naked. Yeah. So, I'm going to stop with them now. But I'm going to food. Nicely. Foreign. Nicely. Foreign.
Is in the I believe me wanna get good, so me have to repeat myself. Me don't wanna give no error. Because I feel like me have attention. I believe that the doctor Laburu gave a Hesna that even though they call him a trash, he's doing his best he can. Because somehow, what you want to see is a man get. Him is a person where they say yes, but they have a connection. The doctor doing best. I am saying the doctor best is not good enough. I believe when I prophesy upon, and more everybody will this is what my spirit is showing me. My spirit is showing me medication for the situation is invalid. So it's a medication issue. I'm picking up wrong medication for whatever we're not diagnosed. So I feel like the doctor a panic, so we need help. For other doctors come in wearing yes. Is the information where everybody around the atmosphere will care I feel? So I believe, I know for a fact she can't leave so because it's the doctor permitted. But the doctor in a panic and the doctor trying best and the doctor will go ahead and sign it off. So I believe that you should go ahead straight to Miami and fight out the time because there is hope. And I do not feel like, as I said, the sister may attack now. The sister, do not make nobody make you give up no type of hope. Continue to pray, whether if she do good, whatever it is, but my energy has shown me negative. But what I am saying to you is, continue whole. Do not make no presumptuous decision. The decision that you want to make that you feel like you're afraid to make, I would say to you, you have to know one thing. I am no harm. Do where you do it, and do it fast, do it good. Do it. Do it good. Do it, man. Do it. Do it, mama. Do it. Sign it off, make the move. Sign it off, make the move. Make the move. Because my spirit is telling me, is not as the surgeon them, with the cosmetologist, your plasticator, what you want to call them, the people there. My spirit is telling me now that it is out of them hand. It want doctor care. So, me no want to hear from about no one tomorrow morning, me no want to hear nothing more about the plastic surgeon them. It have to be in doctor care. No cosmetic energy. God is able. But people, let me tell you something. I am not a negative man. Right? I am not a negative man, even though sometimes you hear me talk negative. But me mean like, you know, me like to talk positive. And I am saying to you right now, read me. My foot weak. My body weak. Me can't sleep. Me drain. Me feel heavy. Me visit our spirit. Remember me do medium. Remember when you hear me talk to people. Me visit our spirit. When me visit our spirit, and me enter the spirit realms, in turn him face for me. In turn him face for me. In turn him back. Me know something is not right. Me a spiritual man, people. Take it as me tell you, me no idiot. You notice me have the picture up? You know why me have the picture up? You notice me have the picture up? I take it on this morning. I tune in the spiritual realms and turn him back. Not to say that he hate me or he envy me or whatever. But I don't like it. I don't like what I see. Because when me go into the spirit realms and in turn him back for me know the meaning. I mean, I like it. That is why I come out from talk this morning and I take down the picture. Because I say, you know something, me not look already. So make me draw in a shell. That me want the fans to know. I tell you the truth. So me just draw in a shell. Because the wind way, me don't want wind blow and blow upon me. Because me not no luck. So me draw in a shell. Because when I visit more in the spiritual realms and I'm turning back, you know, it's like, in the sense of, Mama don't want me come over there. Mama don't want to entertain talking with me. You see, teach us something spiritual, right? Why me bring it this way? And more I understand spirituality. The reason why in the spiritual realms, Mama never want me to connect with her and talk with her. Mama knows the energy. That's why I know something in the right Jamaican people. Listen to me now, man. I'm a spiritual man. I'm a friend that I love her. What the I will sit down and I try my best. Oh, you will see me sit down and pray. Come on, people, man. Be real now, man. Be real now, people, man. Regardless if you say me a scam or whatever, I have something in me. And me I tell you, say, if me do it, me I tell you, me do it. And when me tell you, say, Mama turn back to me in the energy of which part the atmosphere there. Mama don't want me come over there because if I come over there, because of the energy and the connection where we have, if me come over there, me might can't come back. And that make me scared. But I hope for the best. Me not preach no negativity. But I have to talk to you guys in the spiritual way.
As you can see, we're outside in the streets of London. You see what me I say? So the streets look here. You see what me I say? You don't know the things that woman throw away out and thing, but guess what? We not really make that bad away, because we are yardy. You see what me I say? We are yardy Jamaica. We don't put up to bullshit. You see what me I say? Yeah, man, I'm out in the streets, man. In the streets, I live, you see it. You don't know the things that we're homeless, but guess what? We can hold out same way. You get what I mean? Respect for all like people them where you don't know they are trying to give support and thing and strength. But you don't know out there, man. You see it? Right and alright, yes, so me I go and hold it same way, you see it? No joke about that. We just hold our own same way. You get what I mean? Yeah, we don't put up to bullshit and them thing there. You see what I say? You know them English girl that stay already. You see what I say? The government broke them the wrong way, you see it? And you don't know we are trying to make them understand what we are going through. And them know that, but them try to take yard man for fool.